अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, खुश खरम होंगे। आज मैं ये वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए बना रहा हूँ और जो हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा आज वो है इक्वेशंस ऑफ मोशन। You know that at this stage we have three equations of motion. Number 1, V is equal to U plus AT. Second one is V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. And the third one is S is equal to UT plus 1/2 of AT square. In these equations, U is the initial velocity of the body and V it is the final velocity of the body, or you can say V is the velocity at time t, A is the acceleration of the body, and here we have S is the distance covered by the body in time t. I have already mentioned in my previous video that there are two methods of deriving an equation. You can derive these equations mathematically as well as graphically, but here we will derive these equations from a velocity time graph, and today we will try to derive this one, that is V is equal to U plus AT. For that, dear students, we will consider a body moving along a straight line with uniform acceleration A. जैसा कि आप लोगों को मालूम है कि यहाँ पे हमें लीनियर मोशन स्टडी करनी है. Linear motion, which is also called as one-dimensional motion, that is motion of a body along a straight line. तो इसी चीज को मद्देनजर रखते हुए हम कंसिडर करते हैं कि a body is moving along a straight line having a uniform acceleration A. Since the motion is accelerated, it means that velocity will not remain same. We will consider that U is the initial velocity of the body. When the body starts motion, its velocity is U, that we call as initial velocity, and V is the velocity of the body at time t, or you can say V is the final velocity of the body. If we plot the velocity time graph for such a body, it will be like this. It will be a straight line inclined to time axis. This is the time axis, and this is the velocity axis. So the velocity time graph, it is a straight line which is inclined to time axis. Let me mark various points on the graph. Let this point be marked as O. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E. Now, from the graph, when we look at the graph, we see OA is equal to ED because the two lines are parallel. It means OA is equal to ED and both are equal to U. So we will write here OA is equal to ED and both are equal to U. Similarly, now see OB is equal to EC because again these two lines are parallel. So OB is equal to EC and both are equal to V. We will write here OB is equal to EC and both are equal to V. Similarly, now this is AD, it is equal to OE, because now these two lines are also parallel, so AD is equal to OE and both are equal to T. So we will write here AD is equal to OE, both are equal to T. Now we know that acceleration of a body is given by the slope of the velocity time graph. So acceleration of a body, it is given by the slope of the velocity time graph. So we can write it like this: acceleration is equal to slope. स्लोप बराबर होता है किसके बराबर? परपेंडिकुलर डिवाइडेड बाय बेस, और यू कैन से ऑल्टीट्यूड डिवाइड बाय बेस. सो हियर परपेंडिकुलर इज CD, DC or CD, and base is AD. So A is equal to CD divided by AD. Or we can write it like this: A is equal to CD के बदले हम लिखेंगे EC minus ED. CD is this one, CD. इसके बदले हम लिखेंगे EC minus ED. फिर से आप देखिए, दिस इज CD. इसके बदले हम लिखेंगे EC minus ED, because EC minus ED, that's also equal to CD. So we can write as A is equal to EC minus ED divided by AD. Now I will move here. It means that A is equal to EC. We know that EC, it is equal to V. So EC के बदले हम V लिखेंगे. So A is equal to V माइनस, तो ED यहाँ पे आप देखिए, ED जो है ED U के बराबर है, तो V माइनस U डिवाइडेड बाय, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो ये जो AD है, AD T के बराबर है, तो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे हम AD के बदले T. नाउ हम इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे. V माइनस U यहाँ यूं समझा, V माइनस U को 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और A को T के साथ. यहाँ पे आफ्टर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन वी विल गेट V माइनस U is equal to AT, or we can write as V is equal to U plus AT. This is how we can derive the equation. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। ये मेरी पहली कोशिश है। इंशाल्लाह मुझे आपके सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत है, आपके ताउन की ज़रूरत है। तो आगे जाके इस चैनल को मैं इम्प्रूव करूँगा और अच्छे से वीडियोस बनाऊँगा आप लोगों के लिए। ये पहली कोशिश है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप मेरा साथ दोगे और मेरा ताउन दोगे। थैंक यू।